Hello students, let's read this question. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that first 5 will not come up either time? Second, 5 will come up at least once. The hint is throwing a dice twice and throwing two dice simultaneously are treated as the same experiment. So let's write the total outcomes. So the outcomes are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, or 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, or 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, or 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, or 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, or 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So the total outcomes will be, this is having 6 rows and the number of columns is also 6. That means the total outcomes will be 6 into 6, which comes out to be 36. Now the first question is 5 will not come up either time. So for first we can write that A will be the event when 5 comes in the first time, first throw, and B is the event when 5 comes in the second throw. So probability of A will be 6 out of 36, and similarly probability of B when 5 comes in the second throw will again be 6 out of 36. As we can already see in this table, the 5 comes in the first throw will be total 6, and again when 5 comes in the second row is again 6. So this way the probability when 5 will not come in the first throw will be P of not A, which will be 1 minus 6 by 36, which will be equals to 30 by 36, or we can say 5 by 6. Again, the probability when 5 not come in the second throw, which is probability that not B, is equals to again 1 minus 6 by 36, which is equals to 30 by 36, which comes out to be 5 by 6. Now the required probability will be probability of not A multiplied by probability of not B, which will be equals to 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, which comes out to be 25 by 36. Move on to the second question, which is 5 will come up at least once. So for second, we can write that number of events when 5 comes at least once. So let's count how many events like this. So we have the only event when we have 5 in both rows. We have get the 5 in both rows. Otherwise, we have only 11 such events where 5 comes at least once. So we can write that there are total 11 such events, 5 plus 6, 11. So the required probability will be 11 out of 36. So this way we have calculated the probability that when 5 will not come up either time, which comes out to be 25 by 36, and second, the probability when 5 will come up at least once. So this comes out to be 11 by 36. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.